If you're someone who's faced the horror of speaking something without knowing you were part of a meeting, you're in for good news. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Google has quietly rolled out a feature that automatically detects when you're sitting in a meeting room and switches you into companion mode. The option's designed to stop audio feedback caused by too many open microphones in the same space. You'll get cleaner calls, fewer interruptions, and no more accidental sound disasters. Here's how it works. When Meeting Room is active, it emits an ultrasonic signal completely silent to humans. Your phone or tablet can detect it and instantly knows you're in a conference room. Google Meet puts you in companion mode as the default option and even checks you into the meeting automatically. That auto check-in isn't just convenient, it also lets admins track attendance without anyone lifting a finger. The feature works on Android and iOS devices and supports both the Google Meet and Gmail apps, making it perfect for using your phone or tablet as a secondary screen, while the main room system handles audio and video. Admins can turn the room detection feature on or off, although Google hasn't clarified whether individual users can do this or not. The update's already rolling out to all Google Workspace users, including those with individual accounts, although some domains may see it later than others. And that's not all. Google has also finally added an audio sharing from third parties feature, working only when you're doing it from Chrome in your desktop. It'll reduce echo issues when playing videos or music during meetings. Furthermore, with less noise, fewer mistakes, and smoother calls, Google Meet just made meetings a little less painful. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Google Meet now turns on picture-in-picture mode while switching tabs. Google is introducing an upgraded picture-in-picture experience for desktop Chrome, making it easier for users to keep track of their Google Meet calls. Google Meet is a video calling platform rivaling the likes of Zoom, Skype, and other popular video calling apps on Android. The platform introduced the picture-in-picture mode in 2023. Previously, the picture-in-picture was manually activated from the overflow menu. However, now it'll automatically trigger when a user switches tabs during a Google meeting. When a user moves away from the Google Meet call, a new Meet window pops up elsewhere on the screen, helping you to keep an eye on who is speaking on call. Users can also drag the picture-in-picture window to change its position on the screen or pull one of its edges to resize it. The new feature is enabled by default on desktop Chrome, but users can disable it. First, open Google Meet on Chrome desktop. Now navigate to the address bar and click on the View Site Information icon to the left of the URL. Now tap the automatic picture-in-picture. Now toggle to disable. The feature was rolled out on Monday and will be available shortly to all Google Workspace customers, Workspace individual subscribers, and users with personal Google accounts using desktop Chrome. Get ready to spook up your next meeting because Google Meet just went full Halloween mode. Hey GadInsiders, Google is rolling out a series of Halloween-inspired features designed to turn your next video call into a virtual costume party. Whether you're calling in for work or chatting with friends, you can now look like a gothic vampire, creepy zombie, or mysterious mummy, all without picking up a makeup brush. Best part is the Google AI's makeup tool, which uses artificial intelligence to apply realistic digital cosmetics directly to your face in real time. Normally, users can choose from 12 different styles in the Appearance tab, but for Halloween, Meet is adding a limited edition goth chic look that screams spooky sophistication. It'll give you dark lipstick, smoky eyes, and just the right amount of haunted glamour. If you're ready to go all in, head to the filter section and you'll find new limited time options that'll change you into a zombie or mummy with complete effects and full face transformations. And if you want a low-key touch, Meet also offers new seasonal backgrounds, from foggy graveyards to pumpkin-filled fields, and even gives you the option to create your own custom background using AI. The Halloween theme tools are available now for Google Workspace customers and Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers, but only for a short time. So before the spooky season ends, grab your laptop, light a lantern, and surprise your coworkers by showing up to your next meeting looking frightfully fabulous. After all, why settle for casual business when you can go for gothic chic? Have you tried? Google I/O 2024. What's new in Google Meet? Google I/O 2024 on Tuesday launched new features for Google Meet. Now there's much more instead of just attending a meeting online. Google's continuously adding advancements in its apps. This time, at Google I/O 2024, it's made another announcement to improve its workspace like Google Meet. Now you can search your Gmail messages via Gemini by just giving it a command. Moreover, you can also make the key points from Google Meet recording. CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, said, "We are working to make it much more powerful with Gemini. This update from Google will be beneficial whether you're traveling or outside and can't attend a meeting, then you can just record it. And when you get free, just play and get the key points from it via Gemini. This will save you plenty of time and you don't have to listen carefully to an hour-long meeting." Additionally, Pichai has announced that the Gemini 1.5 Pro is available in Workspace Labs. While these are some glimpses from the Google I/O meeting regarding the workspace, there's a lot more that happened in the event, including Gemini, Google Photos, and more. Tired of scrolling endlessly to find that one perfect photo? Google Photos' new AI-powered Ask Photos feature, fueled by Gemini, is about to revolutionize how you search your memories. Stick around to discover how this game changer works and why you'll love it. Welcome back to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech breakthroughs. Google's research team just dropped a bombshell. Ask Photos, a Gemini-powered AI feature, is coming to Google Photos. This isn't just a search tool, it's like having a personal photo detective that understands your life. Let's dive into everything you need to know. Ask Photos lets you search your Google Photos library with natural language questions, powered by Google's cutting-edge Gemini AI. Imagine asking, "Show me the best photo from each national park I've visited," or "What themes do we have for Lena's birthday parties?" and get instant, spot-on results. No more keyword hunting. This AI understands context, making your searches faster and smarter. Here's the magic behind it. When you ask a question, Gemini's agent model breaks it down to understand your intent. It uses an advanced vector-based retrieval system, way beyond basic metadata search, to scan your photos and videos. Gemini's long context window and multimodal abilities dig into details like text, dates, locations, and even visual content like decorations or landscapes. Then, it crafts a tailored response with the most relevant photos or info. What makes Ask Photos special? It's not just a one-and-done search. It remembers your past queries and details for future conversations, making it feel like a true assistant. Need a trip highlight reel or a personalized social media caption? Ask Photos can pull it together in seconds. Plus, it's rolling out soon to US users with plans for more features down the line. Privacy first, Google ensures your Ask Photos data isn't used for ads, and human reviews are limited to feedback or abuse cases. It's currently US only, requiring an English US Google account and the Gemini and Google Photos apps. While it's still experimental, recent updates have slashed latency, so simple searches like beach or dogs are lightning fast. Ready to unlock your photo memories like never before? Download Google Photos, join the Ask Photos waitlist, and get searching.